So now I want to add my design. On the left side, one of these tabs, you'll see files. We can choose a file, so we can upload our file. So I'm just going to click and drag my design over here. I'll drop it there, and then you can either click on the plus to bring it, it'll just put it right in the middle, or you can click and drag. So if I click and drag, you'll see it's not done uploading, but I can drop it anywhere over there. So once it's done, I'll click on the plus, and you'll see up on the right, this is really important. A lot of designs, especially from ChatGPT, are going to be a very low resolution unless you make it really small. So if you make it small, you'll see the DPI is going to go way up. But if you make it big, like if I stretch this way out, it's going to say, hey, that's kind of a low resolution. It's not going to look great when you print it. So let me resize this to a normal size again. But one way you could combat that would be if you have Photoshop or some free similar tool, you would be able to, actually, let's make it a little smaller so it's the right resolution. There we go. You would be able to use Photoshop or something like that and just, upscale it. There's plenty of tools out there to do this. But again, once you have your design, you want to make sure you have the right resolution on that.